Today we're going to review Ruwac's air-powered vacuum. This is a W155EX explosion-proof air-powered machine, powered by our stainless steel solid venturi, no moving parts. You hook up a half-inch unrestricted air line to our full port ball valve. Make sure when you're hooked up to the air line you don't use quick disconnect fittings or Chicago fittings, and if you do, oversize them so their inside diameter is a half-inch. You'll get full vacuum. On and off control is done with the ball valve. For grounding, you have several sources of ground. One of them is our retractable grounding reel. You're going to want to make sure to put this on earth ground. That'll make sure that everything on this machine is fully grounded. Anti-static casters are going to make sure that you can't build up a static charge during transport. So every metal component on here is fully grounded, and you can do a continuity test on it, and you have the added security of the conductive polymers that we use in the housing. It's an oval housing. Inlet is here. All the material is going to come in and it's going to cyclone out naturally in our oval housing down into the dustpan when it's time to service the filter. So you're going to shake the dust off the filter down into the pan. To release the pan, you lift the lever up, you're going to empty the dustpan, and this dustpan goes in either way. It's very easy to put back together. There's no alignment you have to do. You kick it in, you step on the lever, it is back together. Casters again are anti-static. The rear ones have brakes. The silencer assembly, all that air that's being created is going to be silenced through our silence assembly. It's extremely quiet, but there's a diffuser bag. The air that's exiting the vacuum exits here. This diffuser bag makes sure that it doesn't disturb the air that's in the atmosphere. So as you're using this, you're not going to be disturbed by noise, and you're not going to blow dust off the shelves or beams that you may have in your factory. So this has been a review of Ruwac's air-powered explosion-proof W155EX vacuum.